Yep. Going to Yosemite. So this is my little sister. Then we have other people over there. So let's go see that. Oh my god. Bianca, you were shoving her head in there earlier. Like, we play around. Like, she's my best friend. Honestly. We have like all our stuff right there. I know, it's just like luxury. Like,
when the door wasn't open, just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turned your doubt into hope, and can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn them open. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now? Where are you now?
so we're finally here, guys. Got our Jesus with our light. And it's so horrible lighting. Oh my gosh, they just see like a black. But we'll show you guys more tomorrow because we're gonna do some stuff, and then hopefully we don't get eaten by bears. So here we are at this beautiful river. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. There's Bianca. We're just here chilling. It's really like nice and free out here. It's cold. I feel like a peacock. Like I'm finally flying. A peacock? So we're taking a hike right now. To a waterfall. Yeah, we're gonna go in the waterfall and it's gonna be like mist on us and stuff. So yeah, okay. We're leaving right now. Let's go. Now we're by this huge like water river with everybody. Jessica's up there. So pretty.
I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying, to keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing, that's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying.
Okay, so here's like the waterfall kind of thing, and we're gonna walk all the way to the top. So pretty.
Where are you now that I need you? I need you the most.
Tippy top. Okay. Look, he's right there. Where? He's right. I see him. Okay. Oh my god. Jessica just fell. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like you have to hold up to the rail. I know. And then here is right here her little girl. So this is behind the waterfall. All this is like another waterfall over there kind of thing. I don't like mountains right there, but you can't really see them. Oh, now you can. It's focused. It's so beautiful. Names? Our initials. So A for Alienaaa, obviously. And J for jealous of Alienaaa.